Hey there. So, you're ready to take the next big step in your career, but before you do, let's talk about something super important, your resume. Whether you're applying for your first job or aiming for a senior role, your resume is your ticket in. But here's the thing, one size doesn't fit all. Crafting a standout resume is essential, and it begins with tailoring your resume specifically for the job you're targeting. For example, if you're applying for a marketing manager position, don't just list generic skills like campaign management. Instead, focus on concrete results you've achieved. Say something like, led a content marketing campaign that increased organic traffic by 40% in 6 months using targeted SEO strategies. This shows not just what you did, but the impact it had, which is exactly what hiring managers want to see. For those aiming for leadership roles, your resume needs to be all about the results you've driven. Employers are looking for leaders who can make a tangible impact. If you're applying for a VP of sales position, for instance, it's crucial to include specific metrics, such as, drove a 30% increase in regional sales year-over-year by implementing a new incentive program. This kind of detail demonstrates that you've not only held leadership roles but have also delivered measurable success. In technical roles, like software engineering, precision is everything. Your resume should reflect the specific technologies and frameworks you've mastered. Instead of a vague statement like experienced in software development, be precise. Developed RESTful APIs using Node.js and Express, reducing server response times by 25%. Or, implemented React.js front-end features, improving user engagement by 20%. These details show that you're not just familiar with these technologies, but that you've used them to achieve specific improvements. When applying for creative roles such as graphic design, your resume should go beyond just listing your skills, it should direct potential employers to your work. Include statements like, specializes in brand identity and digital illustration, with expertise in Adobe Creative Suite. But the real hook is your portfolio. View my portfolio at yourportfolio.com, showcasing a range of projects from corporate branding to digital campaigns. This gives employers a concrete way to see your creative talents in action. For entry-level positions, where experience might be limited, your resume should highlight your potential and the relevance of your academic and project work. If you're targeting a data analyst role, for instance, mention specific projects. Completed a capstone project analyzing sales data with Python and Tableau, which improved forecasting accuracy by 15%. This kind of detail demonstrates that, even as a newcomer, you've already applied your skills in meaningful ways. In customer service roles, your resume should focus heavily on soft skills and your ability to handle customer interactions effectively. For a customer service representative position, instead of just listing handled customer inquiries, go deeper. Managed 50+ customer inquiries daily, resolving issues with a 95% satisfaction rate and reducing escalations by 20%. This shows that you're not only capable of managing high volumes but also excel in maintaining customer satisfaction. By focusing on these specific, role-related details, you ensure that your resume not only stands out but also aligns perfectly with what employers are seeking for each particular job. Tailoring your resume in this way shows that you're not just applying for any job, you're applying for the right job.